humanoid robots are rapidly advancing within factory settings, enhancing digital communication and boosting efficiency. This progression could transform factories into intelligent entities, streamlining production and supply chains. As robots take on more tasks, assembly lines may evolve, and vehicle design could shift focus towards performance optimization. This represents a significant manufacturing shift, with future factories potentially tailored exclusively for robotic operation, allowing for swift adaptations and heightened production rates. The rapid adoption of electric humanoid robots has sparked a significant wave of innovation in the manufacturing sector. The introduction of robots like Spot and the electric version of Atlas from Boston Dynamics has shaken up the industry. Tesla has been at the forefront of demonstrating advancements with their renowned humanoid robot, Optimus. Additionally, Unitree recently unveiled a video highlighting the capabilities of their flagship humanoid robot, Unitree G1. Reports have emerged indicating that China, Russia, and Turkey are planning large-scale production of humanoid robots. Let's delve into the specifics. In Tesla factories, industrial robots are integral, particularly in vehicle body construction. These robots manage large metal components, positioning and welding them together. Although automation handles the majority of tasks, some activities, like manipulating soft or flexible objects, still require human intervention. Tesla continuously refines its assembly processes to accommodate robot-friendly construction, aiming for reduced human involvement beyond monitoring and maintenance in the future. Elon Musk indicated during a 23 April 2024 investor conference call that he anticipated Tesla's robot, named Optimus, would be operational in factories by the end of 2025. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. On 18 September 2023, Agility Robotics made a significant announcement: the inauguration of the world's leading humanoid robot factory. Encompassing 70,000 square feet, this state-of-the-art facility is geared to produce over 10,000 robots annually at peak capacity. Situated just 30 miles from Engineering Center, its proximity facilitates seamless collaboration within team. Adding to the excitement is the incorporation of Digit into operations. Much like its role in assisting clients with logistics and warehousing, Digit will now play a crucial function within our factory, managing TOTS and streamlining material flow on the production floor. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction (HRI) and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. Spot, a remarkable creation by Boston Dynamics, heralded a new era in commercial robotics, finding wide-ranging applications in fields such as healthcare, law enforcement, and construction, owing to its autonomy and versatility. Unveiled on 23 June 2016, Spot represents a lightweight, four-legged robot inspired by canines, weighing a mere 25 kilograms, making it lighter than other Boston Dynamics products. Spot gained significant attention in November 2017 when a video showcasing its ability to use its claw to open a door went viral on YouTube, quickly reached ing#1 with over 2 million views. Another video in the same month depicted Spot persistently attempting to open the door despite human interference, eliciting varied reactions from viewers. On 11 May 2018, Boston Dynamics CEO announced Spot's transition to pre-production, with plans for commercial availability in 2019. However, in September 2019, it was revealed that Spot would be leased to selected business partners rather than being sold outright. In November 2019, the Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to deploy Spot in their bomb squad operations. Spot's SDK became accessible on 23 January 2020, enabling programmers to develop custom applications for various industries. On 16 June 2020, Spot became available for purchase by the general public at a price of $74,500. Spot's versatility was further demonstrated in various noteworthy events. In June 2020, a Spot named Zeus assisted SpaceX at their Boca Chica Starship test site. In July 2020, a team of Spot robots served as cheerleaders at a baseball match in Japan, alongside SoftBank Pepper robots. Spot conducted inspection tasks on the SCAR floating production storage and offloading vessel in November 2020. In April 2021, a YouTube video showcased Spot dispensing beer into red plastic cups, while in March 2022, Spot created a painting titled Sunrise March, which was sold for $40,000 to benefit Ukrainian refugees. Handle is a research robot developed by Boston Dynamics, featuring two flexible legs on wheels and two manipulator arms for grasping or transporting objects. Standing at a height of 6.5 feet, Handle exhibits remarkable mobility, capable of traveling at speeds of up to 9 miles per hour and leaping vertically up to 4 feet. Its propulsion relies on electric power, enabling the operation of various electric and hydraulic actuators, with a travel range of approximately 15 miles on a single battery charge. While Handle shares many dynamics, balance, and mobile manipulation principles with other robots from Boston Dynamics, it distinguishes itself with a simpler design, comprising only about 10 actuated joints. Despite its reduced complexity, Handle showcases exceptional agility and efficiency in navigating diverse environments and performing manipulation tasks. Boston Dynamics unveiled the Stretch robot for warehouse automation through a video on their YouTube channel on 29 March 2021. This innovative robot features a square mobile base equipped with wheels, along with a perception mast containing cameras and various sensors. Additionally, Stretch boasts a robotic arm with 7 degrees of freedom and a suction pad array at its end, enabling it to securely grasp and relocate boxes weighing up to 23 kilograms. Pick, much like Stretch in its functionality, remains stationed in a fixed position. Designed primarily for handling boxes, Pick efficiently identifies boxes in less than a second. Additionally, it autonomously removes the cardboard sheet, streamlining the box handling process seamlessly. Boston Dynamics' commitment to pushing the boundaries of robotics is exemplified by its diverse array of creations, spanning from the logistical capabilities of Handle to the revolutionary impact of Stretch on warehouse automation. Progressing from the early development of Big Dog in 2005 to the synchronized movements of Atlas and Spot in 2021, their trajectory symbolized the integration of engineering ingenuity with forward-looking aspirations. Turkey's first humanoid robot factory, launched by Akin Robotics in Konya in March 2024, produces versatile robots for entertainment, healthcare, and hospitality industries. In China, a factory replaced 90% of its workforce with robots, resulting in a 250% productivity boost and fewer defects. The Hive warehouse in the UK employs over 2,000 robots, completing tasks 5 times faster than humans. Alibaba's warehouse in China saw a 300% productivity increase with 1,000 intelligent robots handling navigation, tasks, and recharging autonomously. Xionet's Istanbul facility hosts Europe's largest robotic sortation system, processing 45,000 items per hour with 120 autonomous mobile robots, signaling a logistics revolution for enhanced efficiency and environmental sustainability. China's X-Future and Science Museum leads in producing lifelike humanoid robots, crafted with precision to mimic human anatomy for various sectors like entertainment, healthcare, and education. Using advanced 3D printing, South Korea's AM Service Gluck similarly creates realistic humanoid robots. Although currently non-functional, they serve as captivating art pieces, showcasing the potential of human-robot collaboration. Planetary Robotics unveiled the G1, a $166,000 humanoid robot, akin to a small car. This technological marvel surpasses its $150,000 predecessor, offering enhanced capabilities. Featuring hollow joint wiring for flexibility, it boasts 23 to 43 joint motors, human-like hands, and 3-fingered grippers for precise object manipulation. The G1 excels in adaptability, utilizing imitation and reinforcement learning for diverse tasks, from household chores to industrial applications. Operating at 2 meters per second, it manages tasks efficiently but requires frequent recharging due to its 2-hour battery life. The G1 signifies a significant leap in humanoid robotics accessibility and advancement. The Unri H1 represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, originating from Unri, an innovative Chinese startup recognized for its expertise in quadruped robotics. Standing at approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighing around 47 kilograms, the H1 debuts as Unri's first humanoid robot. Enhanced with a 3D LiDAR sensor and depth camera for perception. The H1 possesses the ability to gather precise spatial data and conduct panoramic scanning. Internally, it features high-torque joint motors and gear trains, delivering a maximum joint torque of 360 nanometers. With 5 degrees of freedom in the leg joints and 4 in the arms, the Unri H1 utilizes embodied AI technology, integrating advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to interact intelligently with its surroundings. Displaying human-like understanding and response capabilities, the H1 demonstrates versatile and precise movements across various applications. It autonomously navigates and traverses complex terrains and environments, achieving a walking speed exceeding 1.5 meters per second and a potential top speed surpassing 5 meters per second. Notably, its competitive pricing, below $90,000, democratize access to advanced robotic technology, expanding its applicability to a broader market. Despite its lightweight construction and towering stature, the H1 maintains stability even under significant shocks at its stability points. With a leg length of 400 mm and an arm length of 338 mm, the H1 showcases remarkable physical specifications, enabling its deployment across diverse industries, services, and applications, signaling the onset of a new industrial revolution in robotics. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Apptronik, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Apptronik's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000, with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Apptronik's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Apptronik Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Apptronik foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. In March 2024, Mercedes-Benz showed interest in Apollo for logistics and assembly line tasks. Apollo's modular design allows it to adapt to different setups, including mingling with human workers and lifting up to 55 pounds. With sensors and cameras for safe navigation, it communicates with LEDs and digital panels. While its initial deployment remains unspecified, its integration into large-scale manufacturing could suggest wider industry adoption. With sensors and cameras for safe navigation, it communicates with LEDs and digital panels. While its initial deployment remains unspecified, its integration into large-scale manufacturing could suggest wider industry adoption. Aponic's flexible design and potential AI integration hint at diverse applications beyond automotive production, akin to an iPhone with downloadable apps, making Apollo versatile in various industrial settings.